The Golub Capital Altman Index is a unique new tool that is based on the actual results of middle market private companies in the U.S. We're a large lender. We have a portfolio of many loans from middle market companies, and we've taken about 150 of these companies that report to us monthly and created an index based on the median growth rates in their revenue and in their profit. We saw a void in actual hard information about U.S. middle market companies. There's lots of perception data, but not actual financial information. By filling this void, we're making markets smarter, and that's good for the economy. We knew we wanted the index to be at the highest possible level of economic rigor. So we've partnered with Dr. Ed Altman, an NYU Business School professor. Ed is a world-renowned expert at credit and a genius at analyzing corporate credit. He and his team have helped us craft all the statistical tools needed to make sure this index is especially valid and valuable.
We have found that the Golub Capital Altman Index is highly correlated, meaning that it moves in the similar direction to the performance of firms that comprise popular stock market indices, that comprise the middle market publicly held firms, and indeed the overall U.S. economy.
Investors and analysts are starved for hard data before companies start reporting their earnings. We view this tool, the Golub Capital Altman Index, as a way to provide real economic performance data before public company earnings season.
We've been very careful to measure the performance of revenues and cash flows and earnings of companies in our portfolio. We actually use the 2-month growth rate year over year of revenues and EBITDA, and we compare that growth rate not only for middle market firms over time, but to firms that are larger, representing stock market indices such as the S&P 500, as well as small cap firms in the S&P 600 and the Russell 2000.
We're using a large data set, so we protect the confidentiality of each individual company. The Golub Capital Altman Index can be used by securities analysts in making their forecasts. It can be used by economists in econometric models and other predictions. It can be used by financial advisors in talking to their clients and helping to make business decisions. It can be used by private equity firms to benchmark some of their company's performance against the index. Golub Capital is a leading middle market lender. We manage about $15 billion of capital, and for the past 2 years, we've been the #1 LBO lender for loans up to $500 million. The breadth and diversity of our portfolio gives us insight and expertise across a wide range of industries. At Golub Capital, we focus on the credit fundamentals. We also focus on reliability. We want to be the most reliable lender in the world.